Sometimes you need a sauce. For a steak you might have grilled, or a chicken breast you cooked in your air fryer, or even just a pasta. This mushroom pan sauce can work on all of those foods, and it's easy to make, it's creamy, and it's delicious. First, you have to decide what mushrooms you're going to use. I like brown mushrooms, also known as crimini mushrooms, or baby portobellos. You could use white button mushrooms if you want, shiitake, chanterelle, any mushroom that you like can be used for this sauce, or use a combination. Once you've picked your mushrooms, slice them into 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thick slices. Thicker slices are going to give you a chunkier sauce. Thinner slices make the sauce a little more elegant. Throw those mushrooms into a pan with some shallots and some butter. The key to cooking mushrooms is twofold. First of all, if you're looking to get color on the mushrooms, don't add salt at the beginning of cooking. Salt will pull the moisture out of the mushrooms, and that moisture will inhibit browning. Secondly, try not to stir the mushrooms too much. Let them sit in that pan and get some color, then toss it. Once you have the color, go ahead and season this with some thyme, salt, pepper, and let them cook until they're tender. Worcestershire sauce is going to give this sauce some depth and flavor, and the sherry is just a fantastic combination with earthy mushrooms. Then add chicken stock or vegetable stock along with some cream. Cream gives this sauce its luscious texture, and because it is full-fat cream, it won't break when it boils, unlike half and half. You'll know your sauce is reduced enough when it coats the back of a spoon and dragging your finger down the back of that spoon leaves a line. If you're making this sauce for pasta, add some pasta water to the sauce to thin it to the right consistency. Then taste it, season it, you're good to go. You can make this sauce ahead of time if you like and just reheat it for your steak, chicken, pasta, even fish. Creamy, so full of flavor, luscious. You just can't wait to get another bite.